Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to give you a quick explainer about the user manuals in the Learning Center. Quite simply, the user manuals will show you how to use the functions in GoodX. In a user manual, you will find the glossary button, settings button, and a related button, as well as a tutorial video and the step-by-step instructions with screenshots. The glossary button has been cross-referenced into the user manual from the glossary entry. Click on the glossary button and the glossary window about the function will pop up. There you will find the purpose, applications, shortcuts and roadmaps of the function. To close the window, simply click on the Close button. Similar to the glossary button is the Settings button. The Settings button will indicate that there are settings that need to be set up in order to enable the function's user manual you're currently in. Once you click on this button, the Features Setting user manual will pop up for quick reference. Another similar button is the Related button. Click on the Related button to see any other user manuals that are related to the one you're currently in. This includes any steps that need to be done before or after this user manual. Once you click on this button, the related user manual will pop up for quick reference. Next, you might see a tutorial video about the function. Simply click on the video to start it. The tutorial videos are embedded into the user manual and are also available on our YouTube channel. Finally, the step-by-step instructions with screenshots, important information about the function, and do's and don'ts could follow. Once you've gone through the whole user manual, you will see links at the bottom. These links will either take you to the previous function or the next.